It's very difficult to get back to your pre-pregnancy state after childbirth and breastfeeding, but because of revolution in plastic surgery, everything is possible. So, I'm Dr. Ekta Mishra, consultant cosmetic and plastic surgeon at GBL Hospital, Indore. Today, I'm going to explain you about a procedure known as Mommy Makeover, in which we combine 2 or more procedures to completely transform you to your pre-pregnancy state level. So, after childbirth and breastfeeding, there are certain changes in female body like sagging of breast, laxity of abdomen. There are certain stubborn fat here and there over your body, over the waistline, or you can say the thigh and arms, which does not go off after childbirth and pregnancy. So, Mommy Makeover is an answer to this. It combines 3 procedures, that is breast lift, along with breast augmentation or reduction according to the requirement of the patient, then tummy tuck or abdominoplasty, and liposuction of the stubborn fat all over your body. So, if you want to flaunt your pre-pregnancy state and gain back your confidence, you can definitely go for this procedure.